Yeah! We back! Yo, it's Friday. Shaved it. Running late. What else is new? Just loaded in. What's in here? Oh, no way. Wow. New haircut. Looks so good.
Looks like a lot. When your producer breaks up your rehearsal to put a strap pin into an acoustic guitar.
What, dude?
You can go with that too. There's the hole, and pop it in and out. See this.
Thanks, buddy, for filming that.
Gucci fan, we're good show here.
Stay hydrated. That's pretty fried.
No, dude, like my arms are so tense right now. It's fucked.
We're ripping, dude. Alright. So what? Songs about Tinder.
Yo, Fender, give me a new fucking bridge. Brought some extra crystals. Supercharged. Looks so good. Look how pretty that is.